Hello, in this video we'll be talking about how to create a log form. Log forms display and allow for the entry of multiple records for one student. For example, a counselor log such as this would keep track of a student's meetings with a counselor. They generally have only one tab, with each record's data displayed on the right and a list of records on the left. Custom types for building logs can be found within the Options accordion under Log Template. Start by adding the log's Add New and Save buttons to a container and adjust their spatials. The Add New Entry button will create a new blank record. The Save to Log List button refreshes the screen so the latest record is added to the data table. Next, we need to add the data table for displaying the records. After adding it to the container, you should see the following, which displays the element ID of the newly created table. In our example, to display the date, consulted with, contact purpose, and comments fields within the data table, we would use the query attribute with this value. Each column label is followed by a colon and its corresponding element ID. There should be no space after the colon. The date field's element ID is followed by asterisk DESC for descending, which displays the records in descending order by date. Leave the person ID as is in curly braces. The last element ID represents the context ID of the form, and note that all of the items are separated by commas. In summary, we have the stored procedure log template data. We write exec to run the stored procedure and add to it a list of its parameters. The entire string of items is copy-pasted as the value for the query attribute.